Okay, let's practice. Let's start a new part. Leave the name as is and make sure there's a check mark on the default template. Click OK. Let's try something on the front plane and then click Sketch. And then let's draw something random. So use your line and pick something random. And then press your scroll wheel. So these lines were drawn in random. They're not vertical or horizontal. But if you do want these lines to be vertical and horizontal, then you can use the vertical constraint over here. Okay, so go to your select tool, select vertical constraint, and then select one line that you want to be vertical. So now that it has a vertical constraint, this will become vertical. This one it's not defined, it's just a random line, so it remained random. But if you want them to be horizontal, then there's a horizontal constraint, and you can click on that line, it will become horizontal. Okay. Now, if you want two lines to be perpendicular, there's also this perpendicular constraint. Okay, simply select this constraint and then select two lines, and they will become perpendicular to each other. Not necessarily vertical and horizontal, except that they're just going to be 90 degrees towards each other, and it will automatically adjust to make it perpendicular to the closest angle it is currently on. Okay. So if you do want them to be horizontal and vertical, don't use the constraint tool. So you can select and then delete that constraint. You can right click and delete, or you can press the blue and delete on your keyboard, and then simply mark this one to be vertical and then mark the other one to be horizontal. Okay. Yeah, so vertical, horizontal, and perpendicular.